Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to take up the ELUNA. Got a little bit of a northwest wind here, but that's okay. Here we go. Hold on just a second, folks. All right. Sorry about that. To be honest, I had a brain fart there for a second. Couldn't remember if I had turned the camera on. Kind of important and necessary to when you're filming to turn your camera on. I mean, I just, maybe it's just me, but anyways, this is the Flyzone ELUNA. About the only way you're gonna get this plane here is at a swap meet. If you can find one somewhere that just never got sold at a hobby shop somewhere that doesn't have online inventory, which may be in existence, I mean, it's just, they don't make this plane. They all sold out. But it's a shame too, because it is an absolute joy to fly. I mean, you can just do all loops and rolls and flies inverted, and it's just you get her up there, like right now. I got the motor turned off, turn her into the wind, and she'll just float for you. I mean, no motor, just kind of gliding along there. And then if you want to give her the coals, there you go. I'm running an Admiral 1800 3-cylinder right now, and just a great little battery for her. 1800 is about perfect. You can run a 1300 up to a 2200, but I think an 1800 is probably the sweet spot for it. And she's running the the AR420 antennaless Spectrum receiver, the little 4-channel one that has the push button bind, but now she doesn't have much of a roll rate on her, as you can see, but there again, she's a sport glider. She's meant for these nice big wide sweeping big runs like this. That's what she's designed for, and it's just a beautiful plane. I've always found sport gliders to be, for lack of a better term, elegant. They're just, to me, they're just elegant. Now, if you have any wind, make sure you land into the wind, because she will glide forever. Let me just show you. She got a little landing wheel underneath her, and which is nice, keeps the belly up off the tarmac or grass or wherever you're landing her at. But yeah, she will glide forever. Yeah, and there, that tail wheel's doing its business. Now, if you're fortunate enough to get this plane, the only drawback with this plane is the wheel itself. Like you saw, it came to rolling in, and then it went a little sideways. So I'll make sure my prop's off here for safety. All right, but look at this wheel. See, you go a little sideways and it'll come up off its rim. But hey, look what I'm doing. Simple little fix, and I probably could go in there and take the wheel off and get her on the rim a little bit better, but it's okay. And because prop back on, because she's a sport glider, just flies forever. You just give her a little chunk into the wind, or if you don't have any wind, just give her a little chunk. About quarter throttle is all you need. I'm going to turn her off now, and let her come right at me. Oh, that's just, isn't that sweet? I mean, that's just a different kind of flying, you know. The plane, the airfoil itself is creating lift as it goes into the wind, and it's just very relaxing. Just a great way to fly. It is. It's one of my favorite ways. You don't have to stay on the sticks quite as much, but you know, you can really just relax. I was going to say reflect, but I said inject, whatever that means. But you can just relax and just enjoy. But you know, that's the whole point of the hobby anyways. It's just really kind of enjoy it. And she'll have some speed on her. Of course, that's with the wind there. All right. Gonna have to try to land her here. So I want to go back to flying my other planes. All right. What I want to do is land her in this grass right here. But I think I can do that. There we go. And that, folks, is the Flyzone ELUNA. Prop off. You a happy bird? You're a happy bird. All right, folks, thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. That is the Flyzone ELUNA. Unfortunately, can't get her anymore. You might be able to get a few parts, but that's pretty much it. Oh, looks like got a little crack there in the, but I got to replace it. All right, well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. God bless.